ठीक है. The commutative property dot product that a dot b is equals to b dot a. So I'm gonna show you that consider two angles a and b. Like this is angle a, this is a vector b, and this makes an angle theta in between, such that you can see the angle of a is going to angle b. That means it is projecting its angle to angle b. In projection of a is going to projection into vector b. So vector b can also be written as b in the projection of a. A is the projection of vector a. So for example, consider c is equals to a vector dot b vector. Then from the basic definition of dot product, we can see that c is equal to a magnitude multiply by b, but we can say no, we will not say b, we will say b in the projection of a. C is equals to b a. Name this equation, for example, equation number 1, and this equation number a. Okay, so we will say that comparing equation number 1 and a, so that will probably come that a dot b is equals to a b a. Okay, so we will name this triangle. For example, we say this side p, let's see that one. In this manner it will become a triangle. Okay, so that will be good. P, for example, name this is q, and this is r. So now you will say here that in triangle PQR, we can say that we can take a formula, trigonometric ratio, that is cos theta is equal to, of course, b upon h. And if we say cos theta here, and what will be base? Base will be vector BA, and hypotenuse will be vector B. So BA upon B, or BA is equals to B cos theta. Now what you're gonna do, you will gonna say that put BA. Now I'm gonna put BA in this equation. Okay, so what will happen now? Just see. It was a vector dot b vector is equals to a BA. Now it will be a vector dot b vector is equals to a b cos theta. That will be one-sided equation of it will be complete. Okay, so one-sided means complete. So in this case, the theta was projected from a to b. Now second part, if the theta projected from b vector to a vector, then what will happen? See clearly, this is the b vector and this is the a vector. Now in this case, the projection is coming from b to a. In this case, you say that it was coming to this, that's going to this. Okay, so it was the b vector, a vector. So because in this way the projection was coming to this, so this was the projection that was made like BA. But in this case, the projection is coming from B to A. Then what will happen? You see, if there is something reflecting, then it will become like this, and there will be two right angles formed in here. Okay, so now because the B projection is going to A, then we can write B as AB, where B is the projection, So now we will say that, for example, let D is equals to B vector dot A vector. From the basic definition, from the basics, we can say what? We can say that D is equal to B magnitude multiplied by A B. And for example, we say this equation number 2, this equation number B. So now we will go to comparing equation number 2 and B. So what will happen when we compare equation number 2 and B? B dot A equals to B A B. Okay, so now in triangle, so we're going to name this triangle like X, Y and Z. Okay, so we can say now that in triangle X, Y, Z, cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse, and cos theta will be equal to base will be AB and hypotenuse chords will be A. So then it will be AB is equals to A cos theta. Then what I'm gonna put this AB into this equation. So see, and when I'm going to put, so putting AB. When I'm gonna put AB into this equation, what will happen? See, B vector dot A vector will be equal to AB cos theta. For example, I named this equation 2, and I named that equation which was found here 1. Just see, A vector dot B vector is equals to AB cos theta, and B vector dot vector is equals to AB cos theta. Then we can compare them both. So what we'll say, we will say that comparing equation number 1 and 2. So what will happen? That will happen that A vector dot B vector will be equal to B vector dot A vector. Hence we will say that proved. Hence this proves A vector B vector was equal to AB cos theta, and it was also equal to AB cos theta, and you compare it, and it was like A or B equal to, and it was proof. So commutative law of D is also proof. In the next video you can watch the distributive property of dot product. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video.